morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Andy here, and if you're probably watching this video right now, it's because two things happened. First thing is I decided to record this entire video in English, even though it's not my main language, but you guys ask and I deliver.
Nice.
And the second reason is we just got ourselves the new Leo Vinci carbon fiber slip-on exhaust, and we're gonna be installing it right now today if we got enough sunlight on the 2024 Kawasaki ZX-6R. So let's get back into the house. Let's see whatever came inside the box, all the parts and pieces, and we're gonna install it on the bike. At the end of the video, we're gonna go over a quick comparison on sound, so bear with me and let's get started. All right, so now here inside the house, I apologize, I got caught in the middle of a couple things and I totally forgot about this that I want to do a unboxing for you, but I'm gonna show you what it came in the box. So a little foam, and just get to the piece. So this is the slip-on exhaust. This is the LV10 carbon fiber. You see the bracket is carbon fiber. It's wrapped in carbon fiber as well. The bracket, carbon, is bolted down to the actual can. I already put it together. Like I said, I got excited to put it together. I think this is titanium. I'm not sure. Anyway, we're gonna wipe it out with alcohol. We don't want any fingerprints. If it's titanium and it burnt out and it gets blue or something like that, we don't want the fingerprints. This is the one that I told you in the last video that I have hanging around. Never got to use it. This is the titanium. So I don't know, I'm just gonna put it in, see how it looks like. Be honest with you, I like the titanium better. I know the bike is white, some gray, so I don't know. Let's see. Let's put this one on. If I don't like it, so then I'm gonna throw this one. And what else came in the box? So stickers, nice. What else? This. I'm glad the Leo, they put this one on the box as well. This is the hook to the spring, to mount the spring. Pretty easy when you use this and you don't use pliers. Hardware. So yes, these right here. Let me see if you can. All right, so this piece right here is designed to trick the servo motor, so you won't get the check engine light. Supposed to, you remove the top part of it, you put this, so you can remove the wires and from the servo exhaust, and this will trick the system into thinking that the servo is still there. I'm planning to use it for this week, even though a lot of people saying that this it has a annoying ticking sound. I'm gonna use it because the servo body that I ordered had some delay, so probably will be here by next week. So I'm gonna be running this for a week or so. Also, they included the registration card with the serial number, so you can register your product over there, and additional heat resistant sticker. I don't know, this one came already with one installed. It's like it has some grooves. It's nice. This one is just a plain sticker. I don't know why would I need an extra one, but it's nice that they included. So that's pretty much what it is. So what do you guys think if we go outside and work in the bike, huh? So let me put everything away and I'll see you outside. Bye. Oh, real quick before we going outside, if you look at this, you see how the spring is like yellow. It has some yellowish thing, like a coat. This one is actual titanium, so I think I'm gonna just swap the springs. This is silver with black. I don't think that yellow spring looks good, so I'm just gonna use this spring on this slip-on, and we go from there. All right, see you there. All right, so here we are. This is another day. Last night it was too late, and also it started to rain, so now we are here. We're gonna be installing the exhaust on the bike. I'm gonna show you real quick just a couple things that we might need. So it's really simple. We just gotta have to undo this bolt right here. Of course, take off the heat shield so we can get access to the this screw right here. So also I'm gonna try not to remove any of the fairings, so we can take the servo motor cables right off the here from the servo. I want to show you also, I already removed the tail on this bike. This is a $20 Amazon kind of thing. It works perfectly, no issues. I do have the tag with the registration, I just haven't put it yet. On this side I got this. This is the wireless quad lock charger. I did route the oh, and also this is the steam fork quad lock as well. Phone mount thing. So what I did is I route the USB cable here through the under the fairings, and then here inside the so now that the truck is gone, so here inside the seat I have the battery tender with an adapter for USB. It does not drain your battery, so you're safe to use it as long as this is not plugged in, because even the tiny little light, you know, eventually it's gonna drain your battery. So what I do is I just leave it unplugged, and no issues so far. All right, for this I'm gonna be using couple sockets, different sizes. I think we're gonna have to use a number 8, number 10 millimeters, I think, and also some T-handles Allen set. So this is all we're gonna be using, as well some rubbing alcohol to wipe off the pipe, and I think that'll be all. So let's get to work. All right, so first we pop the seat right under here. Is your keyhole, put it in. It's difficult with just one hand. Hold on. Seat is off. This is what I was talking about. This is the battery tender with the USB adapter, and I got my USB-C cable routed all the way inside. So for open up the back piece, the passenger seat, you just pull this and then slide the seat forward. Just take this off. So first thing that I'm going to be doing is removing the oh, hold on, this one has a security island. You see it has something in the middle, so let me see if I have one like that. So essentially what we're going to be doing is just removing this piece, taking the cables off. We're not going to take the motor just yet. We're going to wait until next week. Once I got the servo body, I'll be removing the whole thing here, so clear a little bit of space. And essentially what you do is just take this bolt and this one as well. I already did to put the tail tidy kit, but it's pretty simple. So all right, so now let's proceed to remove the heat shield. If I remember correctly, it was a number, I don't know, this is a 4 millimeter doesn't work. I think is 6 millimeters. Nope. So it's got to be a 5. Yes, so 5 millimeter Allen key handle. Have this metal spacer. I'm gonna keep it here. There's only 2. And we slide forward. Alright, good. Here we can see the servo valves. Some people they like to take it up from here. I'm just gonna try to undo the motor and take the whole cable off. Let's see here. Let's loosen up the clamp. That one, I think it's at 10 millimeters. Yes, it is. So I'm gonna be leaving you the torque specification for this. It's right there somewhere in the manual. I just don't know right now. I think it's I don't know. I'm not gonna say because I might be wrong, so I'll put it there. So this bolt right here is number 10 as well. Let me get inside. I think we need some wrench to hold the nut in the back. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with my adjustable wrench. Let's do this. Let's hold it from the back. Start wrenching. So while I was off camera, I realized that I have some torques set that had the hole in the middle. Try to use it on the servo motor, didn't work. So I'm gonna be removing the whole thing completely. I'm not gonna save it. So we're probably gonna have the check engine line on for a couple days until we got the servo body unit. So if that's the case, we have everything loose in here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave that bolt there just to hold. Just gonna go ahead and take this off so you can see it. Yep, I'm gonna take this bolt off, and also that one I'm gonna need an extension just to get to it. Right back. All right, so the servo motor was a pain in the ass. I had to take more pieces that I wanted to the point that I got to take the single thing and then try to wiggle around. So it was funny. All right, so now that it's off, let's put everything back in and let's put the new slip on. Alright, so here we are. The pipe is on the bike. Let's just give it a little bit of alcohol and we will turn it on. Alright fellas, so if you make it all the way here in the video, please consider subscribing. Also giving me your like if you like this video or not. Also drop in the comments which exhaust you like the most, the stock, carbon fiber, or even the titanium. Depends on the comments. I'll probably be swapping this out for the titanium version. It's always a pleasure to be here bringing you this content. Planning to keep doing so. Let's just hear the stock exhaust sound, and then I'll leave you with the Leo Vinci so you can compare. I hope everybody has a great day today, and I'll see you in the next video.